Hello, happy April Fool's Day. I've got a few notes here to go over. We do have a Zoom meeting tomorrow, and I will go over them again there. But I just got out of a meeting with the school staff, and there's definitely, I guess, there's an overwhelming feeling that there's too much work on the online platforms, so we're going to scale it way back. So I want you to make sure you click around the platform and see what kind of changes I made. I did make the changes. The district is recommending that you only have 1 hour of work per subject per week. So that has drastically limited what we're going to do in class online. So there's not going to be much online next week. Basically, I'm going to scale everything down to 1 hour of work per week. We're going to eliminate all the Zoom meetings. The only Zoom meeting you will have is the morning Zoom meeting at 9 o'clock with me. And then there will be no block meetings. So if you have language arts with me, you will have in block 1, 2, and 3. You will not have Zoom meetings in block 1, 2, or 3. My homeroom will only have a Zoom meeting. I'll have the lessons, and the platform will still be there, but you're going to get to choose through a list of assignments, and they're not to go over 1 hour. That doesn't mean you can't do more. The district's guidelines is that we do 1 hour a week, and that you hand in 1 assignment a week per core subject. So that means in language arts you will work 1 hour on something, 1 hour for the whole week, Monday to Friday, and you will hand in 1 assignment. I'll go over that again tomorrow, and I think if you take a look at the Canvas and our online platform, I made a bunch of changes in it, and a lot of you have fulfilled your requirement already this week, so you're off for the rest of the week, I guess. That doesn't mean you can't go on and continue work if you want more work and you want to keep learning. A couple other notes I have is I thought it was pretty funny today, bring your pet to school day today. That was pretty cool. Tomorrow I'd like to have us try to meet in a tropical zone, so see if you can figure out how to change the tropical background on your Zoom. I passed out all the work, the people who wanted worksheets and workbooks. I think everybody got them. They were all out in the lunch line today, and that seemed to work well. If you need anything from school, make sure you email me and I can get it out there during the lunch line. Other than that, I think we're all good. I think we set our goal today of making sure you did language arts today, and that you picked your history topic and you started researching. And I've got a bunch of emails from a bunch of you. I know you're well on your way, and wow, did I get a bunch of assignments in this morning. A lot of you have finished most of the assignments, which is fantastic. Let me know if you need more work or less work. I will try to keep working at it. I will minimize everything for the coming week. Thank you.